Setting up Outlook after signing up is a straightforward process that allows you to access your emails, calendar, and contacts efficiently. Follow these steps to complete your setup. Step 1. Open Outlook. Launch the Outlook application on your computer or navigate to the Outlook website in your web browser. If you are using the app, ensure you have the latest version installed. Step 2. Sign in. Before changing your settings, use the hrc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Configure account settings. Once signed in, go to the Settings menu. This can usually be found by clicking on the gear icon. Here, you can customize your account settings, such as adding a profile picture, setting your time zone, and adjusting your notification preferences. Step 4. Import contacts and calendar. If you have existing contacts or calendar events from another service, you can import them into Outlook. Look for the Import option in the Settings menu, select the appropriate file format, and follow the prompts to upload your data. Step 5. Explore features. Take some time to explore the various features of Outlook, such as creating folders for emails, setting up roles for organizing your inbox, and using the calendar for scheduling. Familiarizing yourself with these tools will enhance your productivity. Now that you have completed the setup process, you are ready to use Outlook effectively for your email and organizational needs. Enjoy your new account,